Okay, so we're going to change the battery on this. We've only got one battery. I don't think it's going to be the right size, so at least I'll be able to find out the size and get a new one. So this one has got a little Phillips screw that goes with the blade. I'm expecting that to pull out. And get my little tool. £3 on eBay, you want to get some of these. It just pops them apart, easy. So that transponder is not stuck in there very well. Maybe been replaced. Not sure if that's Toyota fit. I doubt it. So I'm just trying to force it out. So it's a CR 2016. Oh no, I haven't got any of them. So I'll just put it back for now and I'll order one. But you can see it's easy to do. It's probably better to set that out to do that. So there you go, I'll put it back together. That is it, back together, solid. I'll get a new battery for that and then do it properly.